I am extremely happy to share one of the pride moment happened to me when the YouTube asked me to send the chicken curry prepared by me. Hi, welcome back. Today let's see how to make different flavors of cheesy smashed potato sandwiches. As usual, this is my own recipe, guys. Taken 5 boiled potatoes and smashing it well. I have smashed the potatoes well. There should not be any pieces left. Adding all-purpose flour little by little and mixing it with the smashed potatoes. By the way, add salt as required. The consistency should be like this. You should be able to roll it out like a chapati. I have taken the sandwich bread and mixing it with the grated cheese. Now let's fill the cheese into a mashed potato and roll it like this. Need not be thin, let it be thick. Now let's do it again with another flavor. Our next flavor is Schezwan stir fry sauce. Mixing it with the cheese. Roll it gently and our next flavor is ready. Now our third flavor is Mexican seasoning. Roll the smashed potatoes and let's fill the cheese, Mexican flavor cheese, inside. Now frying the smashed potatoes in a dosa pan. I have added half tablespoon of olive oil for frying. Fry both the sides. Mashed potato is ready. Now butter toast the bread. I'll show you how I layer this sandwich. So butter toast bread is placed and then 2 tomatoes and 2 onion slices. Placing our mashed potato and then a bread on top. Likewise, arranged the other 2 flavored sandwiches also and it tasted yummy. Do try it home. Thanks for watching.